Hello everybody, welcome to Passive Income Source channel. In this video, I will share with you some basic information about email marketing, especially if you need to make money with affiliate marketing. You will need to know more about email marketing. It is the main requirements of making money with affiliate marketing to know how to make email marketing campaigns to make real money or to make success with affiliate marketing. So it's so crucial to know this formula. I will show you this video. So let us go deep into the topic and discuss about it. You will need a traffic. If you are an online marketer, you need a traffic. You should get a traffic, especially buyers, people who will buy from you something, your service, your products, the products you are promoting. If you are partnering with other companies, with other people, and if you own your own products, and in this video I will talk about if you are partner with other people, you will need to get a lot of traffic to sell their products and to get to split profit with that partner. So traffic will be the most important thing. So you can get traffic in a free way, in a free method. Also you can get a lot of traffic by paying money on it. So a lot of people are getting in a free way, and many people getting by publishing videos online. You get a lot of traffic. Millions of people are watching your videos if you can do that. And also you can get traffic from writing articles on Google. People are coming on Google search bar and writing their needs. They are asking questions, they are looking for product service. So if you have also websites, if you have been publishing articles on your website, it is very important way you can get a lot of traffic. But also you can buy traffic, as I do. A lot of time I use Facebook advertisement to get traffic, very cheap traffic. You can get in a very low cost with valuable people or customers. You will need to get a land page, to build a land page where you are giving the instructions to those people and you are directing them. Then you send those people to your thank you page or offer. These people will make sales for you. Otherwise, you have their emails because you have sent their information to your list, and then you can send as many emails as you wish. So in that way, you will make a lot of money, and it is very successful way. A lot of people are making money with. You can get the traffic with cheap cost, like 10 cent or less than sometimes. So you will get a lot of people in that way. You are leading those people into lead generation system, and then you will make later money. So as you can see, I get these people with less than 6 cents or sometimes less than. So it is very important to do that. If you can't get people in a free way, you can get by buying them. 6 cents is not that much if you have long-term strategy. So you are collecting the people from those platforms like YouTube, Google, social media. Then you are sending them to a squeeze page. They will put their information to the list. Then you are sending them to the offer or thank you page where you are giving them what you have promised, or you are persuading them to sell something or to watch some video. So they are coming on this page where you are asking them to put their information on this area. So and then these people are automatically going to your list. So these people are coming daily into my list, and I'm growing it slowly. So you need to grow your list because it's a database that you will own it for a long time as you want. So you will make in the long term strategy. So that's why it's so important to have always email list or database. That is the right process you need to market your email. So the people are after you collect their emails and their names, you are sending them to this thank you page where they will find what you have promised, and also you are sending them in a very bold way service or the product you are promoting. So the follow-up series that you are sending them regularly or the broadcasting, these people finally they will take a decision. So That is the way a lot of people are making money. That's the way the online marketers make the most money. It is the most money where you can get. So I sent less than 400 people, and already over 100 people have opened my first email. And as you see, these people are opening, and the open rate is very high. And it is the important thing. If you know, you need to send broadcast or follow-up series regular, and in that way you can make a lot of money. It is the right formula that you need to understand. This is the right formula you need to do the email marketing. Email marketing is what makes you the most money if you want, and it's what makes those gurus, those seasonal marketers, they are making an email marketing. So as you need to grow that email list, and then you can multi-purpose also. You can send these people to your videos, to your articles, to your even social media account. You can use them as you wish. At the first place, you should have a database. You should have email list where you can send what emails you want. So really now have a lot of database. Then I'm sending the emails to them, and I make money in that way. And it is very successful way of making money with affiliate marketing. So if you like to make success with affiliate marketing, absolutely this formula is what you need to do. So thank you for watching. This is what I would like to share with you in this video today. If you are really enjoying my content, please subscribe this channel and like the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.